Dora the Explorer. Valentines for everyone. A Lift the Flap story. Hola! It's Valentine's Day. Boots and I just finished making a Valentine's card for my grandma, mi abuela. We've also got a special Valentine's Day surprise for her. Will you help us bring the surprise to Grandma's house? Great! Dear Abuela, Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Dora and Boots. Let's take a hot air balloon ride over Cupcake Mountain. Look! All our friends are celebrating Valentine's Day. Cupcake Mountain is covered with all kinds of cupcakes. They make a great Valentine treat. Boots and I love cupcakes. Who else loves cupcakes? Now let's row across Chocolate Lake. Yummy! Happy Valentine's Day, Swiper! Yay! We made it to Grandma's house! Do you see mi abuela? Hola! Happy Valentine's Day, Abuela! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.